morning. It's 8 a.m. I'm going to another car boot sale, so I've never been there before. It opens at 10 a.m. so my dad will be there, probably even with his wife. Going to the bus stop.
Oh my God, you said to my alarm with bottles perfectly so much. Learn from your heart and turn your heart. If there's something can burn my soul for a minute, shining shine, one can fall. So still open for the fullness. You and can be making more. Strange tonight for nights, and thanks a lot and lungs shall fall and nuts and say just summer. Find all the files and radio sign. We feature what is on before.
Wow, look at this so beautiful Ford. Wow, it's so wide. Amazing. Hey, my baby's already here. Oh, hey, look, boy. Hey, what's up? Oh, air fryer. And just bring you. Yo, there's so many people. I'm surprised.
How much this?
How much? I don't know. 10 pounds, give you for 7.
$17.35. Probably got a description of the odd hanging or two. Oh.
Genghis Khan.
Slides out. See my fingers, especially a bit.
Видал творчество.
There's just a pound each. You want to stamp out nicotine?
Сосарим.
This is 5 pounds. I just sold one of these. Small, it's 5.
Будешь сос... When I have 1 million subscribers, I can wear that suit. I found some treasure. Oh, is it made of bread? Oh, now you found it.
Sorry for jumping your parade. I'm selling fiver.
Otherwise, that's 40 and that's but he buy before me.
Okay.
I think for me before, so I'll look after my.
How much for this one?
That one, that's for it's chips. Yeah, it's a Sadler's one. They do lots of Shakespearean type.
Really heavy. About 10 kilo maybe. I also bought Firelight, Star Leon. Should be cool. So I found, I don't even know what it is, a metal case, Blu-ray, probably some cartoon, so never unpacked. Cool. So, yo, I've arrived to the office. I just brought some items, so I just brought 3 bags. So this one, plus my backpack. Really heavy to get there by train. So please guys, donate me your car. Any car. What interesting. For example, this. I just took a picture even before I bought it. And so I'll send it to my friend. He just asked me, please Max, buy it, send it to me, I really need it. So it will be for my friend in Canada. It's cool. I bought it about for 40 pounds, something about $50. So cool. This I will send to my friend. Also, we've sold few items which I have to find here. I'll try to find it.
Within my head, yeah, we're flying. Concrete waves beneath us crying. Kickflip dreams, yeah, we're soaring. Under the sun feels like morning. Pavement scars tell all our story.
More than for half an hour I tried to find one item. So I checked these boxes 3 times, so maybe 4. I checked all these boxes, but it was here. So cool. I found it. Already packed. Where is it? Oh yeah, I already packed it. Ready to send. Yo, also I've just sold one more item. It's like a Wi-Fi booster, something like this. Looks like fork. Actually not 4. Fork has 4 sticks. Yeah, it's trick. Okay, so sold one. I just opened the box. So the new adapter is here. You can choose 24 volts. I already done it. I don't know why they put me tape in this box, but okay. So there's so many adapters here. I have to find for Samsung.
Scraping's part of the glory. Rolling fast, always chasing. Freedom's call, no
Where's the hole?
replacing. And the scars tell our story. Scraping's part of the glory. Rolling fast, always chasing. Freedom's call, no replacing. At the skate park where we belong. Fast wheels sing a freedom song. Under stars and streetlights glow. This is home we'll never outgrow. Ducked souls on worn out shoes. Broken boards, we paid our dues. Graffiti walls, they know our name. In this world we're all the same.
So I don't know, I have so many adapters. There are about 30 of them, but only 4 of them look like appropriate, but no, they don't fit. It's bad. Means that I have to order another one. Terrible, guys. Okay guys, so actually I put one adapter inside. I know, it was really hard to put it in, so now I will try to plug it in. I hope it works.
Falling high above the ground. In the air we feel no bounds. Every trick of fleeting I'm strong. Under stars, the streetlights glow. This is home, we'll never outgrow.
Is it possible to put it here? No. Okay. Put it here. Perfect. Now I have to post on eBay few items. So first of them will be this watch. Few scratches, but condition is good. Okay, it's working. Wow, cool. I like it. So belt Lacoste, I'm not sure, it costs some money, but probably. So this item should cost a lot. I hope so. Sometimes I'm really smart, so I've just noticed that the power adapter is on the table, but I already packed the box to return it. I'm smart.